Welcome to my channel where we organize and make things beautiful. I'm Des and this is Sort and Style. Welcome to part 2 of my house tour. Today we're going upstairs. Let's go. Guys, first of all I want to say, you'll see here, this step here starts like 20 centimeters or so away from this wall. It was supposed to be here because at the top here, see, I'm very cross about this still. This still irritates me. 4 years later, this still irritates me, guys. I wanted a nice bookshelf here on the top here, and I can't do it now because there's no space. So I don't know what to do here. I'm thinking of just putting like a mirror. You know, one of those like, is it wrought iron? I don't know. With like the pane, it looks like a window pane. I'm thinking of putting that there. I don't know. We'll see. But here I've got a photo wall of my wedding. Got a cool picture light. And I got another one there, but with no pictures. See there? I need one here. I'm thinking of getting like 2 or 3. I actually wanted like, you know, you get paintings on like acrylic. I'm thinking of doing something like that, like colorful something. 2, maybe 2 here. Then we'll see what happens. This is our guest bedroom, which has all of my cushions. All of my fire put cushions are over here. We will, I'll show you the room later. So guys, this is the guest bedroom. I thought I'd just show you quickly without the 20 million cushions on the bed. Anyway, so this is our guest bedroom. Hi guys, I just want to take a moment to thank the sponsor of this video, Westpac Lifestyle. If you're designing or redesigning or doing a makeover of your house, you've seen my back wall and how beautiful that turned out. So go check out Westpac Lifestyle. They've got amazing things and you can really make your home beautiful. Back to the video. So this room I'm not very happy with, guys. Really, really not happy with. This is my husband's training room. He was training for the Ironman and he said in winter he doesn't want to go out in winter, so we got everything inside here. Now he sits here and he's got everything, and this used to be my study. Baby! Check the sweat. Daddy!
Morning guys, so I've got a chest infection. Doctors put me on antibiotics. 5:30 in the morning and Desi is on the bicycle earning us some discovery points. There's a heart rate monitor. She's not happy, but
In the morning.
go Desi, go.
And my study is now a training room, and I don't have a study now. So now my study desk is in my room and I'm not happy about that. I'm really not happy about that. And you'll see in our curtains are all, like I've put these white blinds with, well, cream blinds with these white curtains in all the rooms. Even my room has the same. Like the rooms are very neutral because so it all just comes out onto this balcony. This is the guest bathroom. So you'll see here we've got a nice little stone wall by the bathtub. I like the feature wall. And then another stone wall there by our shower. Guys, don't put stone in your shower. This is what I've learned. You don't put stone in the shower. You have to scrub it all the time. So it's not a good idea. You learn things when you build a house. These things I can teach you. Now we're going to my room. This is my favorite room in the whole house. Ta-da! You'll see there's my study desk, and I don't like it there, and I'm not happy about it, and I fight with my husband every day because your room's supposed to be tranquil and peaceful. I'm not happy about that. What I do want to do is get like a what do you call those, like chest of drawers type of thing with a nice big lamp, and yeah, just make it pretty. Maybe like a black chest of drawers. That would be quite cool. But then you'll see my room is quite neutral. High ceilings, super high ceilings, I love it. And then just like the carpet's got a bit of a color, but otherwise it's very neutral, very peaceful. I wanted a very peaceful vibe in here. You'll see that my side of the bedside table is like super prettily done, nice bedside table, lamp thingy, and then Hayden's side is like all plain because he didn't want anything. He doesn't want anything. I said I'll get him at least a lamp. Doesn't want a lamp. Anyway, this is my room, and you'll see my curtains. I'll show you my curtains closed just now. But it goes right up to the ceiling, which is quite nice because it gives that illusion of height again, although the ceilings are very high. But it's also got a balcony that goes out, looks out onto the garden, private balcony. This here, I want to put like a mirror on this wall, but like a big mirror, like a standing mirror. Big standing mirror, maybe like those, like a Goldie, whatever. And then maybe here put like a, I don't know, like a photo wall here also of photos. We'll see. We'll see. My walls are very empty at the moment, but we'll get there. Is this room clean? Yes, let me close my cupboards. This is my dressing room. So you'll see there's Hayden. This is Hayden's side. And this is my side. I've got my shoes, shoe cupboard, and my bags. The way I've styled this is like I've put like my white stuff here, my black stuff here. Try to do that. This is actually supposed to come like that on top of that frame, but anyway. So there's my bags and my perfumes. Then we've got my dressing room. That mirror is horrible. I don't like it. I actually want to get out like a mirror to hang from this, like a hanging mirror. And then, yeah, this is also not supposed to be like that. This goes like this. Layering. See, I like layering frames. Yeah, so this is our dressing room. And we've got like a little linen cupboard over here. All the white. Yeah, you can tell I like white stuff. And this nice little basket. So we've got the bathtub, which we love, and the shower stone feature in the shower. Again, not a good idea, guys. Don't get a stone. Don't put stone in the shower. Just don't. Just don't do it. Anyway, I think that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Maybe one day when the house is more finished, we can do another tour and you can see what I've done differently. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember, please hit the like button, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you think and what do you think I could do differently. I'd love to hear where the areas where I don't know what to do. Give me some tips, please. Thanks.